Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to customize notification sounds on your Android phone. Whether you want different sounds for different apps or just want to change the default tone, this is super easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find it in your app drawer or swipe down from the top and tap the gear icon. Now, scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration, or just Sound depending on your Android version. This opens all your audio settings. Okay, look for Notification Sound or Default Notification Sound and tap on it. You'll see a list of pre-installed notification tones that come with your phone. Here's the thing. Browse through the list and tap on any sound to preview it. When you find one you like, just select it and tap OK or the back button to save it. That's now your default notification sound for all apps. But if you want to set different sounds for notification, go back to Select Ringtone or Phone Ringtone section and tap My Sounds. Then tap Add New Sounds or the plus icon. You'll be prompted to your Files app where you can locate your desired sound. Go to the file location and if you see it, tap on it. The sound will now appear in your My Sound section. Tap on it to choose it. Once you select your sound, tap OK or the tick icon to save it. And that's it. You've now customized notification sounds on your Android phone. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.